This is a brushed brass Zippo lighter etched with the emblem of the Harley Davidson 85th anniversary commemoration between 1903 to 1988. This likewise, having been stored over the years, has is showing marks of tarnishes. Likewise on this piece, as with my Remington Zippo lighter, bears identical bottom stems like this, 1932 on the left and 1991 on the right. Could this be an example of a salesman sample? If anyone knows, to give your sharings at the comments below. I hope to discuss about it further. Unfired insert, brass plated. And I am unsure if this is the correct insert, because looking like the year of production is way further away from the casing, if the casing was indeed made in 1991. Some of these lighter I've gotten, they were overrun items, new old stocks, and thus there may be variations in its conditions and its states. Alright, hope you like this video. Do give it a thumbs up, drop your comments below, consider subscribing to my channel. As of now everyone, hope you all stay safe and have a great one.